Hindi, mag-intro muna kayo. Mag-intro muna kayo. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ramen.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome sa aming
Noodles. Spicy.
spicy.
Water. Sobrang na
So,
yan.
ay pa, gano'n karami?
A little more. Enough na yan. Actually, sobra. Alright, a little more. That's too much now. Bro, you suck at this.
First time ko lang
Yep,
mag-cook na.
Alright.
that's all right.
No.
No, that's enough.
Oh. Kailangan ba sobrang specific?
Yep.
Yes.
Walang lasang sabaw pag sobrang sabaw.
Wow.
So, what's the next step, Raj?
Hindi ko alam.
No, it's called opening the fire.
Right, yung first step to open the fire is we need
No.
need wood.
It's real. It's
We need
what the
wood,
fuck?
sticks, and then we need a lighter.
Yep. Or we could just put
Rich people's corned beef.
yeah. Look, our friend is so rich. They use the limon though. Oh shit, it's fire. Hindi ko na alam. Bro, just continue it. Come on. Okay, we wait for it to boil. Which she's boiling now.
Welcome back sa ating video. Chef Boy Gago. Let's do it.
The next step is not cooking the ramen, it's opening the package.
Correct, guys. Always open it first.
So, you know the normal people who use scissors? Screw them, we're gonna use knives.
Yeah. Look at that
Ginagawa
knife.
kong cutter.
Look at that
Mas ganun.
knife skills.
This is impossible.
Screw it. Yep.
Inside.
The most important thing. Lagi natin ginagawa sa pancit canton, we taste it first. Uncook.
It's the same.
This is what I do every day.
Akala ko talaga iiwan mo yung mga residue dyan. Yung mga tira-tirang noodles dyan.
Oh.
Yeah, I put everything.
Nagka-curl.
Oh my god, the fuck? No, baka dumikit.
Stir this
With
so
knife.
that it's evenly
Wait,
distributed
Is
yung
it
heat.
clean though? I mean, you
It's boiling water, so it should kill all the bacteria.
bro.
Exactly.
I mean, it is proven, so yeah, just try it. Disclaimer, huwag nang gawin to sa inyong mga bahay. Baka magkaroon kayo ng sakit sa tiyan mamaya.
Gonorrhea.
Yep.
That's an STD.
Bro. Akala ko nagme-make ka ng joke na as in gone plus diarrhea. Oh shit.
Little did you know.
What do you do here? Ligay mo na agad?
No. Hinaya ko muna dyan for at least 30 seconds bago ko ilagay.
It's been 30 seconds.
Oh shit, then put it.
I do this, I mix it, and then put it on top para maganda.
Sure. Pwede. First time mo lang, Raj, pagluto nito na. And Raj doesn't even cook.
Oh, actually, di naman ako nagluluto.
Yeah.
Pancit canton.
Pancit canton lang. Our personal chef if we want pancit canton.
The way I cut was suck.
Bro, I will cut it for you. Bro, what the fuck?
So,
So, oh my god.
ginagawa ko ng parang seasoning.
Yes. I'm dying. Ako nga. I will do it. So, sino maghahawak? Oh shit. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh yes, I found the way. Oh shit, ang init!
Wow. Do you really cook ramen?
Yes, I cook ramen.
Alright, where's the knife? The steering knife.
Yep.
Now to make it look fancy while you're cooking, you just put this,
Yes.
and then don't stir it anymore so that it looks cool.
Bro, can you suck at... Bro, you suck at cutting! Look at that shit. Bro, you suck. Okay, so now we put this. It looks fancy right now.
It looks depressing.
Yep.
I think this is...
The taste or yung parang feeling na it's a wrong choice na kainin yan.
Oh, ganun.
Wrong choice na kainin yan.
Para,
Asan yung takip nito? I'll just use this oversized one.
Yeah, just
Yes.
like that. Yeah. Disclaimer, huwag nang gawin kasi yung mga bahay. Mga ginagamit ba natin utensils? Hugas na. parang feel ko sa akin, dampot lang ng dampot.
Alright,
Boiling.
kailangan talaga natin ng eksaktong size na takip.
Na use plate.
Doon, it's gonna make sounds and I'm gonna get scared.
Oh. Oh, look. It's a swimming pool. Talaga may swimming pool kayo dito? Dati?
oh,
Ba't hindi nyo na ginagawa swimming pool ngayon?
okay, laba.
Bro, sayang yung swimming pool.
Pero childhood is great.
It with the property.
I mean, all kids grow up, right?
Yes.
Damn.
Meron ba kayong lalagyan na hindi plastic?
It's ceramic. So that's...
Ceramic. It's not good enough. Mga 2 servings magagawa natin.
So, we cut ko muna or tuloy natin?
Sit ka lang there, time lapse.
Literally sit.
Ano? My different angles.
Rod, you gonna taste this first. Ngayon ka pala magta-try na ito, di ba?
He's gonna die.
Yep, you gonna die.
Meron bang tamang parang ng paghigo?
No.
No. There's just a good way and a bad way.
Ayun na.
Ang init.
Tapos meron tayong dalawang complicated cases ng brain tumor sa Thailand. Meron ding 4 sa Indonesia.
Hindi pa nag-hit,
at 5 sa
diba?
Vietnam.
Noodles.
It's overtime yung ano niyan. The longer you eat, the spicier it
I forgot about that.
Nga. Mga unang bites mo, it's okay. Bago pagdating ng 7th bite, oh my god.
Hindi, actually sa fourth bite pa lang dun mo, hindi. Or naparami lang talaga yung kain ko dun sa... Ayun na.
Ito yung challenge.
Kaya mo pa ba, Rod?
Natulog.
Pag ganun yun. Disclaimer, huwag nang gawin ito sa inyong mga bahay. Nasa item.
Nakakamiss naman. Pero pag merienda time na, at home man, o feeling at home lang.
Final verdict.
Bro, hindi ka nagsariling fork mo. Disclaimer, huwag nang gawin ito sa inyong mga bahay.
It's boiling water.
Kabahan ako. Yep.
It's extremely hot.
Pepper yun.
Yep.
I mean, last eat ko neto. Sumakit chan ko.
New look, new formula. Nido Junior. 99 pesos for 150 grams. Also in big box. Nido Junior. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product is
Tastes
dangerous
good.
to your child's health. Strong Kool-Aid.